If your Whirlpool electric range is not heating properly, baking unevenly, or taking too long to preheat, the bake element could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and I'll guide you through testing and replacing it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your electric range or turn the breaker off. Grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 screws securing the terminal block cover. Slide the cover down and off, then set it aside. Next, remove the Phillips screws from the back cover. You can leave one screw loosely in place in the slotted cutout to help hold the panel while removing the others. Once the remaining screws are out, lift the panel off and set it aside. Locate the connector CON2 on the main control and disconnect it. Locate the connection CON4 as well. Grab your multimeter and set it to resistance, which looks like an upside down horseshoe. If you'd like to know more about how to use a multimeter, we put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. Test from the red wire with white stripe at connection CON4 to the red wire at connection CON2. You should see a resistance reading between 16 to 24 ohms. If the resistance is outside of this range, the bake element has failed. If the resistance is within range, something else is causing your range to not heat properly. Let's go ahead and replace it. This is a hidden bake element, so there are a few extra steps. Pull out the warming drawer. Start at the back of the range and remove the screw located just above the terminal block. Next, remove the 2 screws at the bottom front of the cooktop and slide the glass top to the left. Remove the screws securing the side panel at the top and rear. Then rotate the panel out. Disconnect the bake element wires, then remove the washers and the Phillips screws securing the element. Moving to the front, we removed both side panels so that you can more easily see what we're doing. Press on the front of the hidden bake compartment shield to disengage it from the frame, then let it hang down. Press in at the front of the hidden bake retainer to release the 2 tabs. Then rotate the retainer down and pull it out. If needed, flex the side of the retainer slightly to free up the bake element and slide it out from the retainer ports on the left. At this point, the bake element can be removed. Here's the old bake element and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the new bake element into the retainer and confirm it is fully seated. Make sure the side of the retainer is returned to its original position so the element is properly secured. Slide the retainer and element back into place and push it upward. Press the front of the retainer until the tabs are secured into the oven frame. Rotate the bake shield back up and lock it into place, then reinstall the warming drawer. Move to the side and reinstall the washers, secure the screw, and reconnect the wires. Reattach the side panel and the glass top with the Phillips screws you removed earlier. At the back, reinstall the Phillips screws just above the terminal block. Plug the bake element connector back in. Reconnect the oven sensor wires, then secure the back panel and finally the terminal block cover. Plug the power cord back in. Great job getting your electric range back in top shape. We'd love to hear how your bake element replacement went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. And if you still need a new bake element or any other parts, just head over to AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days. We appreciate you choosing us for your repair journey, and we can't wait to see you tackle your next project.